Hey everyone! In this video, we'll build an AI agent in Konnectify that automatically reviews incoming Freshdesk tickets, identifies spam, closes unwanted tickets, and intelligently routes genuine customer requests to the right support team. Let's get started. From the Konnectify homepage, navigate to AI agents and create a new agent. We'll build this one from scratch so you can see exactly how each component comes together. Every AI agent starts with a trigger. Since this agent should act whenever a new support request arrives, we'll choose the Freshdesk New Ticket trigger and select our Freshdesk connection. Next, choose the AI model that will power the agent. For this use case, we'll use GPT-4o Mini to analyze incoming tickets and make routing decisions. Now let's define the agent's responsibility. We'll instruct it to review every new Freshdesk ticket, determine whether it's spam or a genuine customer request, close spam tickets, and route valid tickets to the appropriate support team. Next, we specify the information the agent will receive for every ticket. This gives the model the context it needs to make accurate decisions using the ticket details and requester information. Here, we're defining the spam detection logic. These instructions help the agent recognize strong spam indicators like promotional content, phishing attempts, suspicious links, and other patterns commonly found in unwanted support tickets. Just as importantly, we define what a genuine customer request looks like. Product issues, billing questions, onboarding help, account access, integrations, and feature requests should all be treated as valid support tickets. To avoid accidental closures, we add a few strict guardrails. The agent should only close tickets that are clearly spam, and whenever there's uncertainty, it should always treat the ticket as valid. We also account for short or incomplete messages. Instead of assuming they're spam, the agent routes them to general support for manual review. These additional rules improve reliability by covering edge cases. Short messages, broken English, frustrated customers, or tickets with only screenshots should never be mistaken for spam. Once a ticket is confirmed as valid, the agent determines which support group should handle it, whether that's technical support, billing, sales, account support, onboarding, or general support. Now it's time to connect the agent with Freshdesk. Using tool calls, the agent first retrieves the complete ticket before making any decision. Simply type a / to browse the available tools, select the required action, and configure it. Once the ticket is fetched, the agent analyzes its contents using the instructions we've defined. If the ticket is classified as spam, the agent automatically updates its status to closed, adds a spam tag, and posts an internal note explaining why the ticket was closed. We'll configure each of these actions using the corresponding Freshdesk tools. For valid tickets, the process is similar. The agent updates the ticket, assigns it to the appropriate support group, and adds an internal note so the support team knows the ticket has already been reviewed and routed. With the logic and tools in place, our agent is ready. You can use the Enhance option to further refine the instructions if needed. Finally, give the agent a name, save it, and activate it. Your AI agent is now ready to start handling Freshdesk tickets automatically. Now that our AI agent is live, let's test it with a real Freshdesk ticket. I'll create a new support request describing an API authentication issue. Since this is a genuine technical problem, the agent should recognize it as a valid customer query and route it to the appropriate support team. Once the ticket is created, we can monitor the agent's execution from the activity logs. Here you can see the entire decision-making process, from fetching the ticket details, analyzing the content, updating the ticket, adding an internal note, and finally generating a complete execution summary. This gives you full visibility into every action performed by the AI agent. Switching back to Freshdesk, we can see the result. The AI agent has correctly identified this as a technical support request, automatically added the appropriate tag, routed it to the technical support group, and included an internal note explaining the action it took. The ticket remains open, so the support team can continue assisting the customer. Now let's test the agent with a spam ticket. It correctly identifies the ticket as spam, closes it automatically, and adds a spam tag, all without any manual intervention. And that's how you can build a Freshdesk spam ticket auto closure and routing AI agent in Konnectify. With intelligent ticket analysis, automated routing, and safe spam detection, your support team can spend less time handling repetitive tasks and more time helping real customers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.